Hello friends, today in this short and quick video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Google Docs and document. So guys, if you need to add bullet points in your Docs document, so select it. And guys, in this left side, you will see this option, bulleted list. Click on this drop down and select any design like this. So you can add bullet styles and design as your requirement. So guys, by the simple and very easy steps, we can know how to add bullet points in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.